With the increasing development of society, various transportation vehicles, large buses, engineering vehicles, trucks are increasing, then the supporting equipment for repairing vehicles is also born. Hebei Jingji Lifting Technology Co., Ltd., located in Beijing Qingyuan near to Engine Port, very close to Beijing and landing airport, convenient transportation. We have strict warehousing personnel and equipment, capability to receive customers from home and abroad. With a team of outstanding talents from home and abroad, provide quality service to customers. The company has a strict product production and testing system, ensure that each product meets high-quality standards. The company has a variety of production equipment, ensure that products are distributed to each customer on time. Growing company size, so far it has formed a set of sling production, pneumatic jack production and development, pneumatic top hand machine and other series of products 6 branches. At present, our products have been widely used in steel, electric power, petrochemical, auto insurance, equipment manufacturing, shipbuilding and other major industries. After more than 20 years of technical accumulation and precipitation, with excellent quality and excellent after-sales service, received consistent praise from the majority of customers. In addition, you will see us at several exhibitions, learning from peers and growing through learning. To serve every customer with high-quality products. Customer-centric, quality for survival, with a team of outstanding talents from home and abroad. Ltd will continue to provide first-class quality, perfect service, complete variety and favorable price, dedicated to new and old customers from all walks of life.